something flashy.
Flashy?
Yeah, do something flashy. Ooh.
Ooh.
Show them ankles.
Whoa, show them, bro.
Show those black socks off, dude.
That shit rated porn. Oh shit! You know what we should be using? To hell with this stupid ass microfiber.
What the fuck is that?
This is a synthetic clay bar.
Oh, don't like and subscribe to that. Follow Steven instead.
Yeah. He's gonna make a channel just so you could follow him instead. I haven't.
Actually, you know what? Just follow me at Unorthodox. I also do cinematography work. These two don't know what they're doing. They don't even, like, a synthetic clay bar. What the fuck is that? They don't even know. This isn't even Aaron's camera. This is my camera. He doesn't know anything about this stuff. About YouTube. He's like 53 years old, guys.
It's on!
Don't you love when it just slipped right in? We also got the bitch ass muffler off. Oh! You're good.
They're all, whoa, which Matt? Matt W or Matt V? Oh, you sure you want to wrap this still?
Yeah.
You sure? Are you sure? Positive?
So, voice crack. Yeah.
Ew! There's fucking shit on your tires.
Huh?
Fucking shit on your tires. Oh, ew.
Yeah, there's flies in here, so.
Also, this little guy right here, I bought Aaron. I gave it to him because I'm a good fucking friend. Hey, what's going on?
What's going on?
Just, you know, not getting B-roll of the car.
Or we can show the office off.
What's up?
Well, that's not good.
By the sword. Oh shit. But crap. Yeah, I'm gonna take out these badges.
It's like that. Yeah. Right now, Steve-O,
What's up?
what are we doing right now?
We are taking off or loosening the mud flaps.
So what about you, Aaron? What are you doing?
We're working
That's
on.
cool.
Must start.
Update your...
Grab a screwdriver.
Bet. I'm
hands.
So let me show you how to unplug these brake lights. Like the easiest brake lights I've ever seen. So you just unplug them here from the electrical plug. I can't do shit with my left hand. Oh, you can't even see that, huh?
No, you can do it. Okay. Yeah. It's this plug right here.
Yeah. Except that. There we go.
Plug it.
Yeah, it's got clips on either side. I'm gonna undo. There we go. It's got one screw in the back of it.
And the brake light just comes out?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, literally like the easiest brake light I've ever seen. Because then in order to get the rear bumper off, you have to be able to push both of these pins in. And then it'll... Because all these pins obviously just unclip, but these ones you have to actually wedge. Are you even a Eurocar owner if you don't keep coolant in your car?
Can you guys guess the color? No, it's not pink.
It was a close decision.
So, yeah, to pull the bumper off, we're going to start by pulling the front grille. front upper grill, I mean. This one is an aftermarket, but same concept. It just has the 4 screws across the top, and then it clips in around the bottom.
You didn't even need a time lapse there, bro.
All right,
But
fast as fuck,
Mexican
boy.
power, bro.
Yeah, you just grab the bottom, pull straight forward.
And these ones?
Yeah. So there should be like 4 screws in the front, and then a bunch of them. Yeah, they'll be through there, and then a bunch back in here. Probably a good thing we didn't pull the battery yet. We'll have to turn the wheels again anyway.
This ratcheting screwdriver, dude, is a fucking sicky thing. Right. Do another one.
I think it's in. Oh no,
there's not. Yeah, I was gonna say it's pretty loose here.
And then it should just be the clips underneath the lights. And then there are some screws on the inside of the fender wells and then underneath.
Back to doing my job.
Back to, yeah.
This guy. They're not paying me, by the way. Just kidding. That is true. Listen, motherfucker. You fucking talk to me like that again. I swear to God, I will throw this camera out the window. You understand me?
You promise? Alright, so to do this where you don't fuck shit up, get your hand, you put your whole fist up and then you push from the inside. There you go.
So the outside. Okay.
And that should be all we need. Now we can reach everything.
Yeah, brother.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I didn't pull the bottom off. Yeah, it should be 5 by 60.
Honestly, so one section could wrap both fenders. So that's
Oh, wow.
that's what I'm trying to plan.
Oh,
So
nice.
we have enough
We can-
spare.
We
So
can
I
keep
want to
from
give
wasting.
it 2 inches of spare by 39. So if I cut a 39-inch piece of that, cut it right down the middle, it'll be enough to do this one.
Sweet.
Are you starting on this part?
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
This?
No. Well, we could use that.
What do we say about that subscribe button?
Just go ahead and fucking suplex your PC and hit that subscribe button. After that, go ahead and just fucking punch a hole straight through your monitor and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of Aaron's wonderful videos. And hit that fucking like button, guys. BTS for y'all. And we're done.
And the car's done.
Mat's actually really hard to do. If you overstretch it, it becomes glossy.
Yeah, but like
the
scratching
gloss
it
where
up.
you can just,
Like scratching
oh, well, yeah.
is what I'm
The
at.
finish would be nice.
That's yeah, finished product. The application might be a pain in the ass.
Debadging.
Yeah.
Okay. There took one off there.
Did.
I had my APR badge there, but that one was new. This one's the factory badge.
You're gonna take this one off?
I'm gonna take the sticker off, yeah.
Rock blocks?
Yeah.
Rocco Blancos?
So we have a heat gun. I'm using it on 2, which is low. Just going around in a circle. I'm not gonna lie though, something about these cars just completely debadged.
Children?
Hey! I want to hear from you, sir. Oh shit. This says I prevail.
Oh, that's a lot of glue. I'm gonna just make a little name tag out of this. Just yo, actually has a pin. That'd be kind of dope, actually.
Several days later.
That's so cool, dude.
I know.
wish I had these when I fucking did mine.
Bro, look at this shit. Check this out though. Bro, gotta represent.
So pick that one.
Cool. What should we put in there to keep us from closing the door?
Rag? Yeah, here, hand me a rag.
Yeah, if you wrap a rag around your like latch, it won't.
Through that one?
Mm-hmm.
Pull it up a little bit more. Pull it more. Pick it up. So just go higher for your hand.
Cool. Sweet. I have to slam the shit out of it to do that.
Yeah, that's good.
I don't know.
Cool.
I'll let you finish your door knob there. Or door handle first, so I got to behind it. But it's not. I don't think it's worth it yet.
There's almost something sexual about how well that went. Yo, fellas, come look at this.